Hi, this is Bakya. In this video, we are going to learn phonic sounds of P, Q, or S, T. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and click the bell button for further notifications. Let's go to the video. What letter is this? P. What's the sound of P? P, 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 P. Parrot. P, P, P. Parrot. P, P, P. Penguin. P, P, P. Penguin. What letter is this? Q. What's the sound of Q? K, 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 K. Queen. K, K, K. Queen. K, K, K. Quilt. K, K, K. Quilt. What letter is this? R. What's the sound of R? R, 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 R. Rabbit. R, R, R. Rabbit. R, R, R. Rose. R, R, R. Rose. What letter is this? Yes. What's the sound of yes? S, S, S. S, S, S. Sunflower. S, S, S. Sunflower. S, S, S. Spider. S, S, S. Spider. What letter is this? T. What's the sound of T? T, T, T. T, T, T. Tiger. T, T, T. Tiger. T, T, T. Table. T, T, T. Table.